Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This time guys, magluluto tayo ng cabbage roll. Filled with minced pork and these ingredients. We have the minced pork, minced carrots, minced dried mushroom. I already soaked this mushroom for 6 hours. Minced garlic and ginger, a little bit of sugar, the spring onions. We will leave this for later for our toppings, and the white one we will use it for our marination. We also have the minced shrimp meat, a little bit of it. Actually it is 4 pieces of shrimp. I minced the meat and then we will mix it together with this minced pork. And we have light soy sauce, salt and pepper, and sesame oil. We also have cornstarch, 2 teaspoonfuls. So let's combine the ingredients all together in the bowl. We add the minced pork, shrimp meat, sugar, the salt, black pepper, light soy sauce, the garlic and ginger, the white part of spring onions, sesame oil. Just put it together and then you can mix the mushroom, the carrots, a little bit of chicken powder, just half a teaspoon. I think the soy sauce is not enough, so we will add soy sauce again. And then mix it very well. Add the cornstarch, then mix. I use my hands to mix it, so it will mix so well. Mix it until it's all becomes sticky. Like that. And then set aside this one, and let's prepare our cabbage leaves. Let's wash our cabbage leaves, guys. I already take out 5 pieces of the leaves and wash it well. I think 5 pieces is enough for our filling. Just be careful your leaves is not torn apart. And then we will boil the water. We will blanch the cabbage leaves so that if you will roll it, it will not break or torn apart your cabbage leaves. So let's blanch it for 1 minute. Let's wait for our water to boil, and then we add the cabbage leaves. When the water is boiling, we can add the leaves into it and then blanch for about 1 minute so that the leaves will become soft. When you roll it, it will not break. Actually, I find it's challenging to take one by one of the leaves because it's really soft and it breaks. Just follow. I think it's okay. It's not 1 minute, it's only seconds. Then drain and wash with cold water. So I will drain it here. Out. And then real part that and drain. So we're ready for to roll our cabbage. So let's put the filling one by one. See, it's already torn apart. Let's put the filling. Like that. ito na po lahat yung na-roll natin na cabbage with fillings. So, this is ready to steam. So, let's boil the water for us to steam this. So, let's boil the water. We will wait for this to boil and then we will steam our cabbage rolls. So, so our water is boiling, so we will add here flour and steam it for only 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, let's come back. After 15 minutes, guys, okay na to siya. So let's make the sauce. Let's make the sauce, guys. I will excuse me. We'll take out the excess water here to make the sauce. Be careful. Then I will add a little bit of sugar, dark soy sauce, sesame oil, flour. Then let's add chicken broth. I ran out of chicken broth, so I put more. A little bit of cornstarch, diluted. Then we will cook this. Cook this in low heat. We'll try the taste. If the taste is okay. It's okay. Let's just make the sauce sticky, and then we will pour in our cabbage. Kumulo na siya, guys. Let's take out our cabbage and then let's pour the sauce here. then let's add the spring onion, and I cut also the red chilies. I take out the seeds, and then let's add it on the top. So this is it. It's all done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for you to get notified for my upcoming videos. Bye-bye!